Welcome to our channel. We will fix two box quality headsets, Mixed and Bluetooth one. They are different brands, different problem. We will see what's going on and what we can do about it. We have a lot of headset. Goji, I never met with this model. We have Sony's. That one I fixed it a lot. I mean around 30, 50. And most of them was just the cable. I found maybe once when the speaker's gone, but otherwise no. Always just the cable. We have Razer headsets, which is quite a lot, quite disgusting how it looks, so we just will save the speakers. I have some kids speakers, Nimrak, GVC, and the Sony's one, and one of them is quiet in the piece, but we will see. First I will try the Bluetooth one. They are quite popular in our shop and usually it's quick. The Goji headset, both of them is working, both of them is charging nicely, just needed a long good charge, and we need to buy AirPods, which is quite difficult in that case because they use it a unique holder, but I found one seller for two, so it's a good. That one is just nice cleaning, the new AirPods, and that's it. GVC. I never fixed a GVC headset, GVC, but let's put on the charge and see what's going on. So we have red lights, which is good because it's charging, but if I push the button, nothing happens, so it's not turning on. Let's take out the screws. It has 3 Phillips and 1 Trix type. It's a Trix, I don't know, but not Phillips. That's good because we have a lot of screwdrivers. So when I open, I see the button is quite broken, so that one we need to replace it. It's good because we have a lot of buttons on stock, so it's a quick job, and it only costs maybe 3-4p each button, so it's not too bad. We need a new AirPods, which costed, I think so, 5 or 7 pounds. We need a cable, that one we have a lot on stock, that is 1 pound, so actually we spent it with the headset, I think it's around 10 pounds. So headset, yeah, AirPods, buttons around 10 pounds, and we can sell it around 20 pounds. It's not bad, so it's 10 pound profit. Thank you for watching us. See you next time.